It's keep going.
So I tie my goats out with these horse leads right here. They are two of them tied end to end. And so you've got the clips on the other ends. So you clip one to the goat's collar and one to the tree. And then they can go all the way around. And they will get tangled, but most of them figure out the tangling is not a very productive thing, and they'll just stand there and wait for you to untangle them. And that's what I normally do, and I've done it just ranging all around the property. A main thing with goats and sheep you have to keep your eye on is worms, and if you've dealt with horses before, you know. I don't know how worms are in cattle, I'm not familiar with that, but the sign of a goat having worms will be, see how her sides are kind of rounded?
Yeah.
Well, right here in front of her hip bones will sink in, almost to the point where you can touch your fingers around her spinal cord. You don't want it to get that far, but it'll be like that. And in the morning is a really good time to figure it out because they haven't been eating that much all night. So if they've got worms, they'll be starting to sink in. Also, their gums will be pale. They should be pink and warm, and you know, like a dog or you. So if they're starting to show white, they're actually getting anemia from the worms. And they won't be putting on any weight, and their coats will be kind of goofy looking. So what I do, I'm not a vet, the wormer that your dog gets, that your horse gets, Panicure, I'm sure you're familiar with that one, pyrantel palm weight, there's fedbednazole and ivermectin. The vet's giving you a dog powder when you go get it. It's the same medicine. Panicure is Panicure. So a horse tube of wormer is for 1,200 pounds. Well, that's like 60, 70, 80 pounds. So I buy the horse wormer and I dial it down to about that, and I give that to them. Then you have this wormer on hand that you don't have